the cutting edge of precision wire EDM in modern manufacturing. Modern manufacturing demands precision. In today's competitive landscape, the need for accuracy and detail in manufacturing processes has never been more critical. Every component, every part, must meet stringent specifications to ensure the highest quality and performance. We need parts with incredible detail and tight tolerances. This is especially true in industries where even the smallest deviation can lead to significant issues. Whether it's in aerospace, medical devices, or automotive manufacturing, precision is paramount. Wire EDM, or electrical discharge machining, delivers. This advanced technology has revolutionized the way we approach manufacturing, providing unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. It's a process that uses an electrically charged wire to cut through conductive materials. The wire never actually touches the material. Instead, it creates a spark that erodes the material with incredible precision. Think of it like lightning in a controlled environment. This controlled spark allows for the creation of complex shapes and intricate details that would be impossible with traditional machining methods. This controlled spark erodes the material, creating incredibly precise shapes. The level of detail and accuracy achieved with wire EDM is unmatched, making it an essential tool in modern manufacturing. Wire EDM is essential for industries like aerospace, medical, and automotive. These sectors demand the highest levels of precision and reliability, and wire EDM delivers on both fronts. These industries rely on wire EDM to create complex parts with incredible accuracy. From turbine blades to surgical instruments, the applications are vast and varied. But the machine is only half the story. The expertise of the technicians and the quality of the materials used are equally important. To achieve this level of precision, you need the right materials. The wire, the dielectric fluid, and other consumables must be of the highest quality to ensure optimal performance. You need high-quality wire EDM consumables. Investing in the best materials not only enhances the performance of the machine, but also extends its lifespan, ensuring consistent results over time. Consumables, the unsung heroes of wire EDM. These often overlooked components are vital to the success of the entire process. Wire EDM consumables are the unsung heroes of the process. Without them, the precision and efficiency of wire EDM would be impossible to achieve. They are the materials that are consumed during the EDM process. These consumables are essential for maintaining the quality and accuracy of the cuts. These materials might not be part of the final product, but they are essential for the process to work. Without them, the machines would not function correctly, leading to subpar results. Consumables include things like the wire itself, the dielectric fluid, filters, and power contacts. Each of these plays a unique role in the EDM process. Each consumable plays a critical role in the efficiency and accuracy of the EDM process. The wire, for instance, is responsible for cutting through the material with precision. Think of it like baking a cake. Just as you need the right ingredients to bake a perfect cake, you need the right consumables for wire EDM. You need the right ingredients to get the desired result. The quality of the consumables directly impacts the quality of the final product. You can't make a cake with just flour. Similarly, you can't achieve precision in wire EDM with just one type of consumable. You need sugar, eggs, and butter too. In wire EDM, you need a combination of consumables like the wire, dielectric fluid, and filters to achieve the best results. It's the same with wire EDM. The right combination of consumables ensures that the machine operates smoothly and efficiently. You need the right consumables to achieve the desired precision and speed. Investing in high-quality consumables is crucial for maintaining the performance and longevity of wire EDM machines. The high-quality difference, why it matters. Using high-quality wire EDM consumables isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing the job right. High-quality consumables directly translate to improved cutting speed. Better materials mean faster cutting. This increases productivity and reduces lead times. Time is money, and high-quality consumables save both. Enhanced surface finishes are another benefit. The right consumables result in smoother surfaces with less need for post-processing. This is crucial for parts that require tight tolerances and fine details. Reduced machine wear is also significant. High-quality consumables help protect your investment. They reduce wear and tear on your EDM machine, leading to less downtime and lower maintenance costs. Wire electrodes, the heart of the spark. The wire electrode is the cutting edge of the wire EDM process. It's a thin, electrically charged wire that makes the cut. The wire is constantly fed through the workpiece, creating a continuous spark that erodes the material. Wire electrodes come in different materials and diameters. The type of wire you need depends on the material you're cutting and the desired finish. Erodex offers a wide range of wire electrodes to meet the demands of various applications. Section 5. Dielectric fluids, the coolant for extreme temperatures. The EDM process generates a lot of heat. That's where dielectric fluids come in. These fluids act as a coolant, regulating the temperature during cutting. Dielectric fluids also help to flush away debris from the cutting zone. Different EDM applications require different types of dielectric fluids. Erodex provides a variety of dielectric fluids formulated for optimal performance and longevity. Section 6. Filters. Keeping the system clean and efficient. Filters are essential for maintaining the cleanliness of the dielectric fluid. They remove debris and particles generated during the EDM process. Clean fluid is essential for maintaining the accuracy and efficiency of the EDM machine. Erodex offers a range of high-quality filters designed to keep your EDM system running smoothly. These filters ensure optimal fluid flow and prevent contamination, extending the life of your dielectric fluid and your machine. Section 7. Power contacts, delivering the spark. Power contacts deliver the electrical current to the wire electrode. They are essential for maintaining a consistent and powerful spark. High-quality power contacts ensure optimal energy transfer, resulting in faster cutting speeds and improved surface finishes. Erodex offers a variety of power contacts designed for different EDM machines and applications. These power contacts are built to withstand the demands of high-precision cutting. Section 8. Erodex, your partner in precision wire EDM. Erodex is a leading supplier of wire EDM consumables. With years of experience in the industry, they have established themselves as a trusted name, known for their commitment to quality and innovation. They offer a comprehensive range of high-quality products designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding applications. From wire electrodes to dielectric fluids, Erodex ensures that every product meets stringent quality standards. But Erodex is more than just a supplier. They are a partner in precision, dedicated to helping their clients achieve the highest levels of accuracy and efficiency in their operations. They are a partner in precision. Erodex works closely with their clients to understand their unique challenges and provide tailored solutions that enhance productivity and performance. Erodex has a team of experts who understand the intricacies of the wire EDM process. Their technical support team is always ready to assist, offering guidance and expertise to ensure optimal results. They can help you choose the right consumables for your specific needs. Whether you are dealing with complex geometries or tight tolerances, Erodex has the right products to meet your requirements. Erodex offers a wide range of consumables from wire electrodes to dielectric fluids and filters. Each product is designed to deliver consistent performance and reliability. And filters. Their extensive inventory ensures that you have access to the consumables you need when you need them. They have everything you need to keep your EDM operation running smoothly. Erodex understands that downtime is costly, and they are committed to providing products that minimize interruptions and maximize efficiency. Erodex understands that downtime is costly. Their proactive approach to customer service means that they are always looking for ways to improve your operations and reduce downtime. That's why they offer reliable delivery to keep your production line moving. Erodex's logistics team ensures that your orders are processed quickly and delivered on time every time. Erodex offers competitive pricing on all of their products. They believe that high-quality consumables should be accessible to everyone, and they work hard to provide value without compromising on quality. They believe that high-quality consumables should be accessible to everyone. With Erodex, you get the best of both worlds. Top-notch products at prices that won't break the bank. Choose Erodex as your partner in precision wire EDM and experience the difference that quality, expertise, and dedication can make in your operations. Section 9. Conclusion. Erodex. Powering precision, delivering excellence. In the world of precision manufacturing, every micron matters. Wire EDM is an essential tool for achieving the tight tolerances and intricate details required by modern industries. But the machine is only as good as the consumables it uses. Erodex is committed to providing high-quality wire EDM consumables that empower manufacturers to achieve the highest levels of precision. With their expertise, comprehensive product range, and commitment to customer satisfaction, Erodex is the partner you need to unlock the full potential of your wire EDM operations. Choose Erodex and experience the difference that quality consumables make.